Hi guys! So, it's my duty today and nag-iipon tayo ng gatas. Hello! Okay, so it's already 1:30 in the afternoon. Si baby niya po pala ay going 3 months this 15. So, lipatan natin to. Siyempre, hugas na tayo ng kamay. And then, ito nga yung yield ko no morning. So, it's around 180 cc. So, dagdag ko lang din ito. So, I'm trying the semi-pitcher method. Since medyo busy pa ako ngayon, later on, tsaka ko na lang ilalagay sa plastic. It's 240. So much puno. Punong-puno. Good luck na lang mamaya. So it's my third pumping session for the day. And ito na. Madami akong kits na dinadala para hindi na ako maglilinis. Although ngayon, since diretso yung aking pasok until tomorrow, dinala ko na rin yung sterilizer ko, which you will see later on. So, dito nga pala kasi, meron kaming lactation and breastfeeding room sa hospital, pero dun yung sa 10th floor, and dito kami sa old building, so I opted na lang to do this here in our quarters. Yan. So, ngayon, mag-aantay lang tayo. Just making sure that securely attached, tapos gagawa lang ako ng something. Oh, no. Ay, nako. Okay, so it's already 9:30 and I'm going to get my pump harvest. Yan. Yay. Okay, so sa ngayon, maglilipat lang ako ng mga gatas. I'll be using this Mami Hush CC 120. At neway sa ER. Going back sa CR kung saan ako secretly nasusuka. Tapos na. I I just had my Benji injection the first time. Ang sakit po niya, pero kaya naman. So, you do this for prophylaxis after having exposure. Although ako naman kasi is hindi naman ako totally exposed. But I went to the ER and just for the sake of being sure, kasi may baby nga po tayo and she doesn't have complete immunization yet. So, ayun, morning. Ayun, ang sakit. It's just pain and we're going to tolerate it no matter what. Later on, I'm so excited to see my baby. At least we have peace of mind. Thank you to Dr. Shara Fernando and Dr. Brian Notario for this. Ayun, makakaligo na po ako. Decontaminate. By the way guys, yung diphtheria, it's actually a rare disease na ngayon, but it's a serious life-threatening disease kasi it affects the mucous membranes of the nose and the throat. And yun nga, pwede magkaroon ng breathing difficulties, pero vaccine preventable na siya, so dapat talaga nababakunahan yung mga babies natin. It's caused by the bacteria, Corynebacterium diphtheriae, that makes toxins. So, pwede magkaroon ng swollen lymph nodes at the same time yung grayish pseudomembrane sa lalamunan na kapag yung scrape off mo pwede magdugo. So yun, dapat may mga antitoxin na ibibigay if ever na yung patient ay meron nun. So yun guys, nagpalagay ako sa aking right. I don't know if it's a right decision dahil usually mas kinakaga ko si Gabi sa left, so tsaka breastfeed ko siya sa left. So, at least, mas magagalaw ko pa rin yung left ko. Mas giver kasi yung left boob ko din. And by the way, guys, yung binigay sa aking prophylaxis, it's safe for breastfeeding and lactating mothers naman. So, syempre, binasa natin yan at alam naman natin yan. Choco to choco siya.
Ano, hindi ako nakapag-pay.
Nakikita ang ano. Mukha. Reference. Parang limited. Ito. Hi guys, so done na po tayo sa NICU rotation. So, medyo naging limited lang yung time natin kasi meron tayong 2 holidays, pero at least meron naman tayong catch. Right now, on the way na po ako sa aming casa or office to proceed with our departmental activities such as yung report, at the same time pump na rin and lunch. Okay, yun muna for now. Yan, so inatouch na natin. So ngayon, kakain naman tayo. So, dahil diba video ko?
Kasi kung ang maging dating
Alright guys, it's already 5 o'clock and it's time to go home. During tigetin yung mga harvest natin. Harvest talaga yung tawag eh. No? So ayan, medyo marami-rami tayo. Yan. So, ito po yung mga yellow ko. All those are mine. Thank you so much to our department ref. Salamat po sa mga kasama ko at hinahayaan nila ako mag-store dito.